7 things to do in Dotonbori the same way we did on September 8, 2019. Number 1 is to eat ramen at Ichiran, one of the famous Japanese ramen brands in the world. And this is the very first thing you will encounter aside from the long queue. First, you must insert bills and coins into their designated deposit slots. Second, you must select the buttons that correspond to your orders. Lastly, you will retrieve your change, if any, and ramen ticket most importantly. Once a seat is available, you will be called in and given a piece of paper where you can personalize your order. After filling out your order sheet, just press the little ring button and wait until your ramen is served. Number 2 is to shop at Don Quijote Dotonbori store. Don Quijote is one of Japan's largest discount stores and it has almost everything you might be looking for. And if you're gonna do a last-minute shopping, this is the perfect place to go to. Number 3 is to go on a 20-minute Tombori River cruise. Departing from the boarding point in front of Don Quijote, the cruise operates on Dotonbori River whereby travelers are accompanied by a Japanese tourist guide through and under Dotonbori's 9 bridges. Number 4 is to take pictures with the famous Glico Man billboard. You can also have a nice angle while you're on the cruise. Number 5 is to eat takoyaki, except of course if you're allergic to octopus, its main ingredient. Number 6 is to buy yummy cakes at Pablo, one of the most popular Japanese cheesecake brands in the world. And lastly, number 7 is to shop, of course. Dotonbori is great not just for dining but also for your shopping experience. There are numerous stores from where you can buy anything and you can shop with your luggage as your shopping bag without judgment. The enormous variety of restaurants and bars, the gaudy neon lights, the lively entertainment area, and the extravagant signages make Dotonbori as one of the most famous tourist destinations in Osaka.
Dotonbori River Cruise. Merong nagsasalita in front of us. Pero hindi namin siya naiintindihan mga beshi.
Bakit ko naman dyan?